Hello, welcome to this little video about my Midi-Woush MIDI interface. I have created some more functions inside here, so I want to show them to you. They are mostly on the interface for this and the capabilities. I will show you the Midi-Woush. It is this. You see it here in the lower right corner. It has a display here. It is 8 versus 8 pixels RGB. I will do some programming to put such a display into it too. I want to do it by be able to use both displays, but if you want to create smaller Midi-Woushs, then it is also possible to use only this small thing here. This has greater resolution than this thing. It is 32 pixels in Y direction and 128 pixels in X direction. So this here, it is the name of the thing, Midi-Woush. It is only a 3D printed name board. I don't think I would want to use such name boards in the later uses, but I did it some hours ago. So Midi-Woush is using interfaces like this here. This is an LDR interface, a light detecting resistor, and this is every sensor needs 3 cables, one cable for the ground level, one for the plus level. In this case it is 3.3 volt, and the third cable for the sensor info. Here we have the LDR, another resistor. These create, they are, I don't know the English word for it, it is Spannungsteiler, voltage divider, I think it's the correct word, and it this is the LDR is bound to the ground level, this resistor to the plus level, and the midpoint between these, they are connected, and this is soldered to the third cable. So for later versions I have pressure sensors. They are all already here. They are very good. I have seen they can be soldered the same way with other resistors for this voltage divider, and I want to solder 2 of them. I have 2 of these sensors, and they will be put below my keyboard, and then I want to use them to do some after touching, and for keyboards that don't have after touch, I think it will work. I need to do some programming for this. I need 2 channels, and the channels should use the same controller, and I will do some programming to be able to tell Midi-Woush if the maximum value of this 2 or more sensors should be used, the minimum value of these, or the average value. This needs some work to do, but at the time I don't have this, so I can't show you the aftertouch thing. So, but we start with this here. Here we have the cardinal synth. Only this synth here on top is used. These 2 here are on other channels. I don't use this here in this demonstration. We have here a voltage controlled filter, and this voltage controlled filter is bound to this thing here. It is a thing that you can create an offset with it, voltage offset and a voltage scale, and the output of this is put to the frequency modulation here for the filter. And the two controlled voltages, they are bound to parameter 1, and this parameter is controlled by the Muse software, and I will now put it in here, press right mouse button here. This is parameter 1. I give it a red color, and on the next turn I will apply a MIDI channel and a MIDI controller to it, but before doing so I need to set up Midi-Woush. Everything is set to standard values when you switch it on. You are able to load and save values to the EEPROM inside this little Arduino, and but you need to load it each time you restart it. So now I first show you what the interface is. Here we are in the reset mode. It is the mode you start in when switching power on. This is the Midi-Woush channel. This is the sensor number, and you can scroll to this Midi-Woush channels. These are 4 channels, and in standard mode every one is bound to the sensor 1. In our case it is good this way because we don't have other sensors by the time. Okay, then when you want to change the sensors, you can do it by clicking here. We have 4 sensors available, 4 inputs for sensors, and they are also working, but I can't put more sensors at it because I don't have sensors soldered now. So then you need to tell for each Midi-Woush channel, you must tell the thing what minimum and maximum values these sensors should use, and you do this by pressing the second button here. Then you see here this blue border and the number 1. It is for sensor 1 or channel 1. And now you put your hand on this and remove your hand. Now the minimum maximum value is measured. Press this button again, and this was the first channel. Now we go to the second channel, do it again. We can do another minimum maximum value here. So perhaps you want your maximum value here reached on a level of shadow that is not that big as for number 1. Yeah, you put your hand not completely over it, press again here, and now we go to number 3. Here I do complete shadowing of this LDR, and for number 4 I will try to do this without the maximum lighting. So I go here and we do it this way, but I don't remove my hand completely. And now I have all maximum minimum values created. So we have here now the controllers for number 1. When I press this lower button here, then I can change the controller number, and when I put in this mode here the upper value, I can change the MIDI channel for this Midi-Woush channel. Okay, so standard is on this here controller 70 MIDI channel 1. Now we go to the second one, it's controller 71 and also MIDI channel 1, and number 3 it's 72 MIDI channel 1, and number 4 it's 73 and 73 and MIDI channel 1. When you program the controllers, you will get a visible visual info that a channel is used multiple times. So when you here are on a channel number 1 and you press here, now I go to 71, 72, 73, they are violet, and you see what channels are free. Okay, I take the standard setting here, and we have 70 to 73 as controllers, all on MIDI channel 1. And now I leave the reset mode. This is done by pressing here this button for a longer period. Now I am here on the first MIDI channel, Midi-Woush channel, and this is shown here. You can change this to number 2, and now you see here you have another values here. The maximum value is reached much sooner as in the first time. Now here, this is number 3. This is this version where you have completely covered it. And now we have here channel number 4. And this has also different minimum maximum values. Okay, now I start here to play the music. Nothing happens because we don't have these things here connected. The thing is, when you do this here on all 4 channels, an output is created, so it is not so easy to learn controllers to the functions. So we have a way to create a solo output. This is done by pressing the second button for a longer period. Then you see here another display for this curve. This is solo output. And now I'm able to put this here to learn mode, go to apply, go to learn, and now I have learned controller 70 on my MIDI cable with channel 1, also MIDI channel 1. Okay, okay. Now you have maximum value, minimum value. When you go here, you see here it's 10 volts, this is 0 volts. And this output here change it by using here the offset value and scale value here. Okay, it is also you see the envelope here too. Okay, so go on further. We go here to the second MIDI channel, second Midi-Woush channel. Here have also this solo output, and now I can put this to another voltage here. So I create a copy here of this by pressing Ctrl D. I have here a copy. I put this on the controlled voltages. I put here to controller number 2. And this output here, I put this to this input. It's for the resonance. But we need to go here into Muse, tell it to use parameter 2. We give it a yellow value, a yellow color, and now I can go to apply, learn. We have learned controller 71. This is also now working. So let's have a try here. What is happening here? Okay, we need to change the things here. We have to put something here on this input. So I'm not sure what to use for this. I don't need the scaling here. I just put here, use the offset. 10 volt. We are here now 10 volts. Go back. Here press the solo button for a longer period. I can tell the second channel to be inverted by pressing this button 2 for a short time. Now it is. Now I have here maximum value when I do not put my hand on it. It's minimum value. Okay, when all your parameters sound great, you can save the settings. This is done in the reset mode. Reset mode is reached by pressing this button here for a longer time period. Then I'm in reset mode. You see this is not showing any curves. And now you can press this 7th button here for a longer time period. And now you see it is saved to the EEPROM. And the thing is not working when you are in reset mode. You must leave reset mode. And now you can do Midi-Woushing. Okay, that's all for now. Just think about it, what you can do with this when you have more than one sensor. Perhaps two sensors for aftertouch when playing, one with your hand. Almost incredible possibilities. So please leave a comment if you want to say something, or if you want to know something, and just give a thumb up if you like this video, and sub is also possible and good for me. Okay, thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye.